Zero feels like the simplest number there is. Nothing. Empty. Blank. But here's the strange part. For most of human history, nothing wasn't considered a number at all. No civilization on Earth, not Egypt, not Greece, not Rome, ever wrote it down as one. It took thousands of years, 3 separate civilizations, and one philosophical leap most people never even think about before zero became a number you could actually calculate with. This is that story. Around 300 BCE, Babylonian scribes ran into a problem. Their number system could easily confuse 3 with 30 or 300 because there was nothing marking the empty column. Their solution was 2 small angled wedges used to mark a gap. Not a number, just a placeholder, a way of saying there's nothing here, keep counting. On the other side of the world, with zero contact between the two cultures, the Maya independently invented their own placeholder symbol around the 4th century CE, using it in their calendar system to mark dates and durations. Both civilizations had solved the same problem the same way, but in both cases, zero was still just a placeholder, a blank space with a symbol on it. Nobody had asked the bigger question yet. Can nothing behave like a number? Can you add it, subtract it, multiply by it? That leap happened in India. In the 5th century CE, the astronomer Aryabhata used a symbol for zero in his calculations. But the real breakthrough came over a century later in 628 CE from the mathematician Brahmagupta. In his text, the Brahmagupta Siddhanta, Brahmagupta didn't just use zero as a placeholder. He defined it as a number with its own properties. He wrote out actual rules. A number minus itself equals zero. A number plus zero stays the same. Any number multiplied by zero becomes zero. That might sound obvious to you now, but nobody had ever written it down as fact before. For the first time, nothing had rules. It could be calculated with, not just pointed at. From India, zero spread west along trade and scholarship routes into the Islamic world during the 8th and 9th centuries. Scholars like Al-Khwarizmi, the mathematician whose name gave us the word algorithm, translated Indian mathematical texts into Arabic and helped build zero into the decimal system we still use today. From there, it reached Europe through Arab scholars and traders. But Europe wasn't exactly welcoming. Roman numerals had no zero and no real need for one, and some European merchants and bankers were suspicious of the new number, worried it could be used to forge or alter financial records more easily than Roman numerals could. It took centuries of resistance before zero was fully accepted into European mathematics. So the nothing number has one of the busiest histories of any number we use. A placeholder in Babylon, an independent placeholder in the Maya world, a real number with real rules in India, a traveler through Baghdad, a suspect in medieval Europe, and now the number every computer on Earth is built on top of, because binary code is just ones and zeros. Turns out nothing took more work to invent than almost anything else in math.